Hey, British Columbia, it's Sheldon, Truck Hunter, BC, working out of Barnes Wheaton in sunny White Rock. Here with the 2021 GMC Elevation. Just came in, 25,600 kilometers on this 3-liter Duramax diesel. That's right, 460 pounds of torque. Can still tow up to 11,000 pounds. Rear power slider, leveling kit. It's got the spray-in liner as GMC's Pro tailgate, of course. Dual exhaust. This gentleman put the AT4 boards on it. Looks pretty good, and lots of factory warranty left on it as well. Does have the Bose stereo in it, and there's your electric emergency brake, your fog lights, cargo box light, driving mode, and then of course your four-wheel drive. It is a console, so it is a seat 5. It's in fantastic shape, as you would expect. There's your brake controller, hill descent control. It's got heated front seats. It does have auto stop start technology, of course, the power tailgate. It's also on the fob too, and there's plenty of room in the back. Lots of room, connectivity for the kids. It's got the all-weather liners on it. Nice layout in the interior. Beautiful truck, British Columbia. We just got it today. The diesels are a coveted engine. It will not last. Give me a call. We take trades. Financing on site, 604-362-2922. Give me a call, BC.